In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. This process is essential to ensure that your valuable content and design layout are preserved should you need them in the future. Today, we'll focus on duplicating your site within the Squarespace dashboard for a straightforward backup method. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, do that first. If you're new to this, click on Get Started to enter your credentials. But if you're already familiar with Squarespace, simply click on the initial of your name, located on the top right-hand side of the screen. This brings you directly to the account dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to select the website you want to back up. Keep in mind that if you have multiple sites under your account, choosing the correct one is crucial. Take a moment to look over the list and click on the site you're targeting to duplicate. Next, you'll notice a gear icon next to the page name of the website you've chosen. Think of this icon as your gateway to all the settings for that particular page. Here, click on the gear icon to access the page settings. Doing so allows you to find a helpful option called Duplicate Page. By selecting Duplicate Page, you'll be creating an exact copy of your live site right within the Squarespace platform. This feature is especially useful because it allows you to experiment and make changes in the duplicate without affecting your original site. Remember that this duplicate will not be published live. It will remain a draft version unless you choose to push it live. Feel free to explore and play around with this duplicate page without worry. If you ever encounter any issues during this process, Squarespace offers comprehensive support documentation that can guide you further. Additionally, as an extra precaution, I recommend downloading your content from the site using Squarespace's export tool. Although this is a separate process, it's hugely valuable alongside your site duplication. And there you have it. In just a short few steps, you now know how to back up your website on Squarespace. Always remember, having a backup is not just a necessity, but a safeguard against data loss, unexpected mishaps, or even future modifications. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Make sure to tune in for more tutorials and tips in our upcoming videos.